Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to disable the vibration on your PlayStation 5 controller on your PlayStation 5. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So what you need to do is have your PlayStation 5 open. You're going to need to be logged in and I'm going to be starting from my dashboard right here. Once you're on your dashboard, we're going to be clicking up 1 to come to the top menu right here. And then we're going to be going to the right 3 times until we get to the settings on the top right. Once we're here, we're going to be clicking the X button to open this up. And here we're going to have some of our settings for our PlayStation 5. Once we're here, we're going to be scrolling down to the 4th last option. We're going to be looking for the accessories option right here. We need to click the X button to open this up. And here we're going to get some different accessory options for our PlayStation 5. On the left here, we'll have a couple of options: general, controllers, media remote, keyboard, mouse, and camera. For today's video, of course, we're looking for the controllers option right here. If we come here, click X to open this up. So in regards to vibration, we're looking for the top 2 here. The first we have is vibration intensity. If we click X to open this up, by default it is set to strong. However, you have a couple of options here: medium, weak, and off. So here you can feel free to experiment. If strong is too much, you can try the weak option, or you can feel free to turn it off completely. Below this then we will also have the trigger effect intensity. Again, we have the same options here as well: strong, medium, weak, and then of course off. So here you can feel free to experiment again, or if you'd prefer to, you can set both of these to off, basically disabling all of the vibration controls on your PlayStation 5. The good thing about this is I do believe it will also increase your battery life quite a bit, since it won't be vibrating and doing a lot less controls. So I do believe it will be a bit better like that. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to disable vibration on your PlayStation 5. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you find these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.